Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting Android Auto in their Honda CR-V? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare phone. Ensure your Android phone is unlocked and Android Auto is installed. Step 2. Find USB port. Locate the 1.5A USB port in your Honda CR-V center console. Step 3. Connect device. Connect your phone to the 1.5A USB port using a reliable cable. Step 4. Launch app. Android Auto should launch on the display. Follow the on-screen setup. Step 5. Explore features. Access Android Auto features like Google Maps and music on the car display. Now you should be able to easily connect and use Android Auto in your Honda CR-V. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.